our beginning orchestra, welcome. Thank you for coming to the concert. We were small but mighty. These instruments over here, we have violins. Violins in the back. Over here, these are the slightly larger cousin instruments. They're called the viola. And then over here, we have the even larger instrument called the cello. And sometimes orchestras have an even bigger instrument called the double bass. We don't have that one right now because it's so darn big. Sometimes it's hard for middle school kids to learn how to play because it's so darn big. We're going to play a number of pieces for you. And we're going to start off by pitching a piece. Before we do that, though, we're just going to check that our strings are still in tune. We were waiting outside, and one of the many reasons why it's hard to learn this instrument is that the strings go out of tune pretty easily. So if you're outside and it's cold or windy or the humidity's not just right, sometimes the strings will go out of tune. So we're going to tune our strings and then we'll play you guys on. All right, so let's play Christmas pieces. The first one is called Mid King Wenceslas. We're going to take you guys back to the first few weeks of school where we learned how to pitz, which means pluck the strings. And then from there on out, we'll be using an arco, the bow. So I hope you guys enjoy. Here's Mid King Wenceslas. Orchestra. I hope you guys enjoyed our Christmas program this year. We will have at least one more concert in the springtime, if not more. So I hope to see you guys there. These guys have been playing for like 4 months. And the violin is widely regarded as being the hardest instrument to learn. And so by the time you see us again, we're going to be smoking these pieces. Thank you very much.